Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add frame or border around your video in CapCut Mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to add white frame or white border to my video. First of all, guys, we can change the background of this video. We can go to the background option right here and then choose the color. And since I want to add the white frame or white border to my video, I'm going to select white. Then we can click on the check mark and we can make this video smaller like this. You can use both of your fingers. Okay, once you're done, you can save this video. Click on this export button to save this video to your gallery. Okay, and we're going to create new project in CapCut. I'm just going to go back and tap on new project. Then I'm going to import the video we have just exported. Okay guys, and then to make it more symmetric, I'm going to crop the video. We can click on the video, then we're gonna go to transfer, and here we can click on resize. Okay, and I'm going to resize this frame. Okay, oops. Alright, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're satisfied, you can click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add frame or border around our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.